The Ignition Designer has a built-in query browser tool that will allow you to interact with some of the data that you have in your database connections. To get to it, all you have to do is go up to the Tools option in the menu bar and then choose your database query browser. Now when this opens up, you can see that it's got a schema over on the right hand side. It's got a place to enter your SQL query and a result set area. Now I'm going to go down to this test table here, and if you double click on it, it'll both expand it and put select star from whichever table name that is. And if I click the execute button over on the right, then it'll show you my data. Now if I wanted to come into this data and change it around a little bit, I can click on my edit button here and then just double click to type directly in. And then you press enter to submit it. Now you can see that it's purple here, so that means that it's not actually sent out to the database yet. From there, I can either hit apply to send to the database or discard to remove it. So I'll click on apply, and then it goes into the database. And to double check that that's still there and it's still correct, you can go ahead and click this execute again, and it will go and refresh this, and you can see we still have that same value. So it's perfect. You can also see any of the other schemas, any of the other database connections that you've got. They'll be listed in this drop down here. We only have the one MySQL, so it's the only one that shows up. And you have a default here, which is in this case the MySQL database connection, because our project is using that as its default.